सकनावतु सकनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ यच्छन्दसा वृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोभ्योऽध्यमृताः सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु। अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासम् शरीरम् मे विचर्षणम् जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्याम् भूरिविश्रुवम् ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधया पिहितः सुतम् मे गोपाय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ शन्नो मित्रः वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षम् ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षम् ब्रह्मावादिशम् ऋतमवादिशम् सत्यमवादिशम् तन्मामावीत तद्वक्तारमावीत आवीन्माम् आवीद्वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणचक्षुश्रोत्रमतो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वम् ब्रह्म उपनिषदम् माहम् ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत्। अनिराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणम् मे अस्तु। तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ अहम् वृक्षस्य रेरिव कीर्तिः पृष्ठम् गिरेरिव ऊर्ध्वपवित्रो वाजिनीव सुमृतमस्मि द्रविणगुम् सवर्चसम् सुमेधा अमृतोक्षितः इति त्रिशङ्गोर्वेदानुवचनम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ तच्छंयोरावृणीमहे गातुम् यज्ञाय गातुम् यज्ञपतये देवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वम् जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शञ्चतुष्पदे। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करम् शङ्कराचार्यम् केशवम् बादरायणम् सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। गुकारस्त्वन्धकारो वै ऋकारस्तन्निवर्तकः अन्धकारनिरोधित्वात् गुरुरित्यभिधीयते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अविनाशितु तद्विद्धि येन सर्वमिदम् तदम् विनाशमप्यस्य अस्य न कश्चित् कर्तुमर्हति इति। अविनाशी तत् अविनाशि इति विद्धि इति तद्विद्धि। May you understand. Tad Abhinashi iti viddhi. So the tas shabda is a pronoun in Sanskrit, which means that. In English we call it as a demonstrative pronoun. Tat, that. So, if you look at this verse, Tata Abhinashi iti viddhi. That means, may you understand that as indestructible, free from all mortality. That, by using that pronoun, what is this that? What is meant by this that? whatever you can objectify in this creation, that pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, that can be used. Whatever you can objectify, you can say it is that. So, tat means that. Tat avinashi, idu vithi. So the world, is it vinashi or avinashi? Is it something destructible or undestructible? Is it something destructible or indestructible? It is destructible. Why do we say that world is destructible? Because it is subject to change. Whatever you relate with is always something which undergoes change. So whatever is vinashi, whatever is subject to change, we have to account whatever is subject to change as vinashi. That which is subject to change, subject to destruction. So the world is subject to destruction because it is looked upon as a creation, and it is intelligently put together. Though the world which we see and world which you relate is a world of objects. Seemingly the world which you relate is a world of objects, and it can be objectified. Therefore, you have to negate the world as something which is subject to change. That's why it is indestructible. You cannot call it as indestructible. It is destructible. But the body is also destructible. That's why it is called Sharira. Sharira means Shijamana Swabhavatvadi Sharira. Body is also subject to destruction. Why? It is made up of 5 elements. Tasmatva yetasmad Akasha Sambhudaha Akashat Vayuhu Vayoragnihi Agnerabha Adhya Prithvi Prithivyam Oshadayaha Oshadhibhyonnam Annat Purushaha. This Taittiriya, it has been said. It is made up of 5 elements. Akasha, space, then air, Agni, fire, then water, then you have Prithvi, earth. So these 5 elements go into the making of this body. This is a 5 elemental model. So it's a model. Everything is a traditional model. There are so many ways you look upon this body. A chemist looks upon it differently. It's a conglomeration of elements for it. A physicist looks upon it differently. So each person who has got this packet of information, with that tool, when he or she analyzes the world, you can come up with different formations, different answers you can come up. You can account the world differently. It depends upon what package of information you are using as a tool to account the world. So this is a traditional way. Traditional way we look at the world, it is made up of 5 elements. Then you can question it. You can question it. How it is 5 elements? See, this is a model. A model is something which you use as a tool. Then you drop that tool. Like